Take a ride in the 2018 RAV4. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, fog lights, dual power mirrors, power sunroof, rear wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, push-button start, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tilt steering wheel, climate control, cloth upholstery, front bucket seats. Come take a test drive today.